Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Once again, it is on. We are on our way to the gun range, have us a little bit of fun. And this time we are definitely taking the shotgun. I put the butt stock on it, so we are good to go with that, as well as taking a few others with us so we can have some fun. Question. Y'all know I picked up the Smith & Wesson 627. Before I got that, I picked up the EAA Vindicator. It's with a W, but it's pronounced Vindicator. And this is in 357 as well as the 38. And this is a 6-round cylinder on here. And what I'm thinking, because I picked the other one up, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway on this.
I like it a lot.
A lightweight giveaway, not much money, just, to get out of it. Never took it to the range, never fired it. Seen a bunch of good reviews on it. So let me know if this is something you guys are interested in. Little lightweight giveaway. Give me some likes on here. The most likes I get, then we'll decide to go ahead and do a giveaway on it. This takes, like I said, the 357 mags and the 38 specials. And never been fired, brand new. Want to give this away. Give me a like. If I get up to maybe 50 likes, somewhere around there, then I'll go ahead and do a little lightweight giveaway on it. Not much, but let me know. And we're going out to the range, and let's get out there and make this thing happen. Holla at y'all when we get to the range, man. 22.
Damn.
Light, right?
Yeah, god damn. Damn.
So light, right?
Yeah.
Yo, you right in there at the X.
Why so light like that though?
Because it's all made of polymer, plastic. Only thing that's metal is the barrel. It's right here. That's the only metal piece on here. Look at this one right here. This is a Walker P22. That one here. I'm gonna let you shoot this one too. You gotta put one. You gotta put one in.
What is this?
Huh?
I said, what is this?
This is a PSA dagger 9mm.
Man.
So it's two ways you can do this one. You can look down here to here and line it up, or it's a little dot inside this optic. You can put it on the dot and line it up that way.
This don't have a safety?
No, this don't have a safety.
So
the safety is in the trigger.
Hey. Oh shit.
See the optic?
Yeah. Woo. This motherfucker strong, man.
Now, which one was you doing? Did you do both, or did you just look at the dot?
I'll just look at the dot.
Okay. You did pretty good with that?
Yeah, what you think?
Yeah, you did good. You did pretty good. far as that low and left, ain't no low and left. So that's pretty good. So we kick it back out to the 7, strictly 7, and go above that. Let's see what happens. Go get her. It's surprise. So week like it's working up here, and we're gonna keep on pushing, man. I think I'm gonna load up this little 22. I'm gonna go with the Humorex right now and see what that joint hitting for. Hold it a little tighter. Aiming, you trying to get it in the white. You doing good as far as your left and your right. There you go. There you go. You good, boy. Fucking natural. So light, right? Yo, you right in there at the X? Great. Fun. All right, you can come over here and shoot this joint. Thing, Phil. Just put it in here. Mag in here. Just on your shoulder. Look through your sights. Line that top right there. Pull this back. Charging handle. And then you put hand right here. And you're ready to rip. Hand right here. Charging handle. Look down the middle. Fire. Alright. You could have started on a new circle, so we could have seen what you were doing.
Huh?
You could have started on a new circle.
I don't know about
We could
this.
see what you doing. All right, and this is how you drop it. Flip it around. That right there is how you drop the mag. So if you want to put 10 more rounds in there, you can. On the middle, the left,
Bottom left.
bottom.
Yeah.
All right, something you're doing wrong. Let me see. All right, so when you look down that, you know this little piece on the top that got the circle, and then that one piece that's sticking up, you want it to be in the circle like that. Don't take it all the way up to the top. Have it right there in that circle. So this the circle, and then you want that right there. Yeah. See that circle?
Oh,
See
looking
that?
at that.
Right.
So I wasn't looking in the circle.
Yeah. So you was just looking straight down at that.
Yeah, I was looking straight down.
That
at
was your problem. Yup. Put it right in there.
All right.
Run 10 more through that.
I can't. Which one we try to get?
Go to the bottom left. All right. So if it don't fire, what you do? Drop the magazine. Sit it down. Now clear it. Take the charging handle, pull it back. All right. Now let it go. Now put the magazine back in.
It's a lot though, if you're not expecting it.
Now, there you go.
Yeah, for sure. Not sure.
Where you going, bottom left?
Yeah.
Bring it up some. Something wrong. Go to the right some.
One in over.
Got it in there.
I think they so small, it's hard to see. Yes, sir.
Damn. That motherfucker drop out.
Go safety right now. When you're ready to take it on fire.
Shit.
Put it on fire.
It was hot.
Done.
First shotgun round's always the best. Yeah. But after that, they hurt. First one, The first time I shot a shotgun, I shot an over-under.
You need to go in some?
And I pulled both triggers at the same time. Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah. Put it like right here.
I got a few.
On my shoulder.
Right up in there.
Watch your ears. Watch your ears. 1 second, guys. Hold on 1 second. You're good. You're good.
Where you going? Bottom left?
Yeah.
Bring it up some.
Let's get it right to the lung. So you're looking from here to the front. That the tip of that needle is going to be on the lungs. And you're going to pull back nice and slow. Also, you want to have your left hand front, like higher, in the front. So here, let me show you. Take your finger off. There you go. Finger off the trigger, there you go. Let me go down. There you go. Finger off the trigger, very good. Is that new?
On it, where I got it.
Don't turn the gun. Don't turn the gun. Face pointed down here.
Damn, we ran through them jumps. Alright, that was 10 yards. Let's see what that is. Okay. That was 10 yards right there. That right there. But anyway, the two that I shot, no more low left. Boom.
Target safe. Got a really long trigger. Yeah, it's that double action trigger. Really light gun. With 9, yeah. It's a tough gun to shoot. Very hard to be accurate with it because of that trigger pull. It's so long. Super long wall, yeah. Block 19. Every single time.
right, man. It is show time, baby. It is show time. Yes, sir.
Just a little range humor. It's okay.
We think he's professional. Look how he comes out bad as shit.
Let's go to the bottom.
Man, look at you like one
Here.
shot. They would've got away.
It's like 4 and 1.
It's hard to say.
One more. Get in there. And you good to go. Flip them around.
That's
I
all.
want to flip it or let y'all see my reaction first. Maybe my
He
reaction.
goes all the time. So we ain't get to see your football.
All on.
I used to shoot like 2 or 3 days a week at one point.
Yeah, that's it.
And then I stopped for a while.
Let's go.
And then started going back 1 day a week. Now I only shoot maybe like once or twice a month. I don't shoot it. Well, you work in the range, you think I would shoot every day. I don't shoot every day. It's hard to shoot every day. So that's a pump. Yeah. Shoot slugs or buck? Slugs or buck?
Double eyeball.
There you go.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Damn, bitch, you ain't no joke. Rick turn. Showtime. I'll load it up for you real quick.
One. We have a survivor. We have a survivor.
See, Rick, look. That's where these joints go. In here. They take 4 and 1.
How many?
4 and 1. So when you put 4, see it won't go no more. So what you do is rack 1. Now you got 1 more. But just remember it's hot. This is the safety right here. The safety is on. So it's like when you put your here, when you in position and you ready, then you know to just go pop and you ready to fire. This is the same thing. See the little circle? You got to put that circle right in here. But aim lower. If you want to hit that, if you want to hit the X, you want to aim lower than that. So see where my hole is? Pretty much aim for that hole, and you're gonna probably get up to the X. All right. So now, there's already one in here. It's hot. So after you shoot it, boom, then you rack it, pop, pop, and then you're ready for the next one. Put this right up in here, face up on here, like that. All right.
Wait a minute, how many you with?
Safety on?
How many you with?
Yep, the safety is on.
Safety is green button, right?
Yep. Where your phone at?
Are you ready? 1 second.
Bring it up some. Bring this up some. Like right there. Lay your face on that. Bring it down a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Look at that circle.
Yeah, circle.
Well, how many times you came? He should have shot all of them.
Did.
He did.
Lean forward a little. There you go.
He did though.
He did though. He did though, Kurt.
Damn. Yes, sir. Shit.
Destroy that like button.
That like button. That like button.
You got it. Did you rack it?
Oh, that's a shotgun.
Woo! There you
go, boy. Bracket. Like that, don't you? This motherfucker's strong, man. Come up a little bit. Wait. Got like 2 points. Come up a little. Get him in the neck. Bracket. Might be one more, might not. Neck shot. Always rack it till you get to the end. Shoot it one more. Let's see what I think. That's it. Yeah. All right, cool. Damn. What you think? Oh, man.
Yo, that joke nice, man. I like that.
I had to be like this with that joint.
Yeah. This is your right here. This is nice. Ooh. We tore it up. Let's see. Got a big old hole in that joint. Wow.
All right, man, we're gonna wrap this thing up, man, here at GPS Gun Range. Pop them Jones off. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Next time we come, we're gonna probably bring the Smith & Wesson 627, and we may bring the AR-15. We'll bring the AR-15 out, baby. That's gonna be fun. All right, see y'all on the next one. Peace.
I was cheating. I had my phone.
It's caught in the crossfire.
See your war face.